Hello everyone, how you been? Welcome to my channel, Gary Ramirez. In this video, I want to show you this mechanism, which is an adjustable table, and it is a basic design. It's not completely finished yet. It lacks some modifications to make the table more functional, to make the table rise a little higher, for example, but the intention of this video is to show you ideas. We can all create our designs and we can make them come true. This design is not really mine. I was looking on internet and videos and I found it very interesting and very good design. I modeled it in Autodesk Inventor 2020 and I wanted to share it with you guys. This is a work table that adjusts to the height that is required. A wood work table must have certain fundamental characteristics. Therefore, the materials are very important in this case. A stainless steel or iron-based table would be a good choice. And the lifting table, made of aluminum, for being lighter and resistant, could be the better in this design. The parts of the mechanisms are the screw or shaft, 4 bars, the wheel, a lifting table, a base table, 2 movable arms, and 3 bearings. How the table works? Well, this is a mechanical table, and we have a wheel that, when we turn it, turn the screw or shaft, and this makes the arms of the mechanisms move back and forward. And then the lifting table goes up and down, depending on the direction of the turn that you give the wheel. Basically, we turn to the right and the table goes up. In the opposite direction, the lifting table goes down, and it's a very simple operation. Finally guys, if you want the files of the modeling and the assembly created in Autodesk Inventor 2020, in the description I leave the links to get the files. By the way, my friends, don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell, leave your comment, click the like button, and see you in the next video.